When I was little, my father was famous. He was the greatest samurai in the empire. He cut off the heads of 131.
Hey everybody, Jerry Williams, aka Greater Sapien here. Thanks for stopping by. Today we have number 152 of Eric Dubay's 200 Proofs Earth is Not a Spinning Ball. For a little while, you're going to get one per video, as if all goes to plan, I'll be spending the next 2 weeks in Wilmington, Delaware. So I'm going to spread the content out a little bit. 152. In 2003, 3 university geography professors collaborated in an experiment to prove the state of Kansas is indeed actually flatter than a pancake. Using topographical geodetic surveys covering over 80,000 square miles, it was determined that Kansas has a flatness ratio of 0.9997 over the entire state, while the average pancake, precisely measured using a confocal laser microscope, comes in at 0.957, making Kansas thereby literally flatter than a pancake. Well, this is just silly. The experiment Dubay is referring to was conducted in 2003 by 3 geography professors, Mark Fonstad, William Pugach, and Brandon Vo. It was published in the Annals of Improbable Research. Like I said, silly. The study famously compared the topography of the state of Kansas to a pancake from IHOP and concluded that Kansas is indeed flatter than a pancake. The experiment compared the variation in surface elevation obtained from a laser scan of a IHOP pancake and the elevation transect across the state of Kansas. So right off the bat, we can see that the experiment wasn't checking the shape of the state, but it was the change in elevation being proportionally less than the change in elevation over the surface of a pancake. And of course, we all know that elevation takes into account the curvature of the Earth. Another way of knowing that this accounted for the curvature of the Earth is the fact that it was a geodetic survey as opposed to a plane survey. Plane survey is used in small areas and the Earth's surface is assumed to be flat, simplifying the calculations. However, that method doesn't work for large areas, and this was, according to Dubay, 80,000 square miles. So geodetic surveys are used. Geodetic surveys consider the Earth's curvature by using spherical or ellipsoidal models, which make measurements over long distances much more accurate. So the downfall of this claim was smack dab in the center of the claim. There's something extra satisfying about that. Take care.
That's my job! That's what I do! I don't lose! I win! Is there no one on this planet to even challenge me?
Maybe you came by to congratulate me on last night's victory.